Whatnot App Review. Whatnot is a live shopping platform that combines the excitement of live auctions with the convenience of online shopping. Launched in 2019, it has expanded from focusing on collectibles to over 140 categories, aiming to popularize live stream shopping in Western markets. Talking about the pros and cons, the pros of this app are interactive experience. Buyers can engage with sellers in real time during live auctions, asking questions and getting immediate responses. Second is the diverse categories. The platform offers a wide range of products, from collectibles and vintage items to fashion and electronics. And last is buyer and seller protections. Whatnot verifies sellers and provides protections against fraudulent activities, ensuring a safer marketplace for both parties. But of course, every app has its cons. The cons of this app are time commitment. Participating in live auctions can be time-consuming, as buyers may need to wait for specific items to be listed. Next is review system concerns. Some users have reported that sellers pressure buyers into leaving 5-star reviews, which can affect the transparency of the rating system. And last is customer service issues. There have been complaints about delayed responses and unresolved issues from Whatnot's customer support. In summary, Whatnot offers a unique and engaging shopping experience through live auctions, appealing to those looking for interactive and community-driven purchasing, including the 3 key features that it has, which is live shopping and auctions, verified sellers and buyer protection, and diverse product categories. However, potential users should be aware of the time investment required and some reported concerns regarding the platform's review system and customer service. And so, I think that is enough for this video. I hope this been helpful to you by any chance. Please like and subscribe. Also comment your opinion and experience about it. But that was it then. See you again in the next video.